everyone, and welcome to this brand new video on my YouTube channel, Mr. B Does Electronics. So I'd like to start this video by saying Happy New Year to all my viewers and my subscribers. Hope this year will be joyous and prosperous for all of you people. So without wasting any more time, I'll just dive into the topic of today's video, that is these pair of no phones, which I am calling this. These will be showcased within this video. And what is this concept? This is a totally experimental little device. This is in a prototyping stage, and this is quite bulky, as you can see, and it is made out of plywood and janky little build, but the concept is really cool. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in and I'll show you what I was basing this on, what concept I want to bring forth, so that all of the talented people out there can take this concept or take this design and improve upon it. So let's get started. So I've shifted over to the overhead view so that I can show you up close what is this. So as you can see, these are two separate pieces, one for each ear, or I want to say not inside the ear, as you will see later on in the video. So these are based off totally off-the-shelf components. So let's just dive in. What are the components that I've used? The heart of this project are those i12 Airpods clones, those TWS headphones basically. So that is the heart, or that is the connection, that is the Bluetooth connection. It is handling from the smartphone inside here, and this, as you can already tell, is the base, charging base for the i12, the circuit board along with the battery. And this is how the barrel connectors charge the i12. I am using the charging circuitry from the i12 earphones itself. And the visible circuitry, that is, these are the speakers for each ear, and these are nothing but the Grove speaker module for Arduino. So I am using these as the off-the-shelf components because these have small enough speakers so that I can build it as small as possible. But because of the large capacitor over here, as you can see, this is the minimum thickness that I was able to build this. I wanted it even thinner, but it was not possible with the off-the-shelf components. So you have to make custom components, custom circuitry for this, but it's a very simple concept. This is the on-off toggle switch for the amplifier or the Grove speaker module, and these are the i12 or the headphone on-off and pairing buttons, play, pause, multifunction buttons that are repurposed here in these buttons. So let's now pair it up and show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to take these out of the charging base. I'll turn on the amplifiers for both of these. This is already on, and they just said connected. So at the moment these are auto paired to my iPhone over here. I'll just bring in the microphone closer so that you can hear the output. So as you can see, these are working independently, no wires are connected. So I'm just going to pause it over here. The only problem with this concept of the off-the-shelf component is that these speakers do not handle bass or low frequency too well. As you can see, if you can see over here, the volume level is not even 25% and it is crackling. So that is the whole problem with this circuitry over here. If I can get more efficient amplifiers with higher impedance, smaller speakers or certain cutoff frequency, that has to be designed. I did not find anything small enough to fit in over here with the required cutoff frequency, but nonetheless this is in a concept stage. So I guess now I will show you how I will, or the user will, wear it, and let's get on with it. So the main inspiration for the no phones are those Bose spectacle earphones, whatever they are called. That is, they have this bone conduction technology within the frame of the specs. So me being a person who actually requires spectacles or glasses like these for their daily living, because I have a lot of power. I cannot just go out and buy any sunglasses without power. I won't be able to see anything. So what about those people? So they have they or any other company is providing products like that, that they give you the frame only and then you have to buy the glasses and everything. That's a whole ordeal. So why not just make those devices so that they can clip on to the frame of your existing spectacles? So that is what I have tried to make over here with these devices. If you can see over here, there is a small groove which fits onto the frame of the spectacles. So those are in each of these. So all we have to do is, these are the speakers, these will just rest over the ears, not inside the ears. That is why they are called no phones. You can hear the surrounding as well as the music or take the call, whatever. So I'll just demonstrate over here. It looks kind of janky, but it's always a prototype, to keep that in mind. So as you can see, I've just slid it on over my spectacle handle over here. These are a bit heavy, so my spectacles are sagging, but those all can be improved upon. What's important is the concept. So you can fine tune it over here, just push it back and front so that these speakers come over the ears. So that's it. These are already paired up over Bluetooth to my smartphone. All I have to do is go over here, play some songs, and it will just play over here. See, I'm playing from the NCS playlist of the YouTube. If you can hear it, I can hear it clearly, and I can hear the surrounding noises also. So that's the merit of these no phones design. These are not bone conduction, these are not in ear or over ear, these don't block your ears in any way. Gives you all the freedom, that is to hear your surrounding as well as to hear your music. The only downside is that these, when they get a little loud or when the environment or the ambient noise gets a little low, other people can hear your music. So that is the only demerit over here, and just we have to keep this in mind. This is a prototype, so this design is subject to change based on the custom circuitry and the components that you or the experts out there choose to build it with. And the other merit which I had focused on this product is that anyone can wear it. Anyone with any shape of spectacles, anything that has these handles of the spectacles, you can just clip this on here, and as you can see, they shift a bit, but they are quite stable. So that's the whole product or the device that I wanted to showcase in this video. This video is getting quite long, and I promised to keep it short and simple. So that concludes this video. I'll give the parts list and every little details in the description below. Kindly check it out, and also comment below any new ideas that you want me to pursue in my later videos. And with that, I want to end this video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.